Hi, this is Dr. Michael Ennis with Ennis Chiropractic. As you know, we're upper cervical specialists and we do a lot with the neck, and so sleeping is a big deal. And we had a talk about pillows last time, and we're going to continue that. Today, we're going to address some of the strategies we have when people lay on their back. The thing we don't want people to do is have their head pushed forward, which means too much pillow. So we really want you to kind of either use no pillow, which is what I do, or a very thin pillow. One strategy is to take a rolled up towel and roll it up to about halfway and put it in front of your pillow and let your neck go over the towel and your head rest on your pillow. That gives your neck some support and some curve into it, opens the airways up. But again, we just want to make sure we have no tilting forward. That's our strategy when we're laying on our backs. Thanks, and stay tuned for some more.